Okay, now after that we are making here. Okay, we are making here just here, just keep silence, make it one line like this, one line like this. Yeah, make it one line like this. And now make it one line like this. Wow. Okay, first make it आराम से करो. Okay, make it first that much. When you finish that much, you can go ahead and next part. Okay, take time. आराम से do this. Okay. 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 Now.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, take time. Take time. Okay.
Sir, I'm done.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now you can create here
Okay, sir.
one circle,
Wait,
one circle, and then another circle, and
five.
yes, and draw this line dark. Okay. Aram. Yes.
Oh, it's so cute. The eye is so cute.
Okay. Keep silence. I will draw.
Sir, it's cost creative.
Yeah. Rekha N. Beta, what's the good name? Rekha N. Your good name? You silence. Ishan. Okay, beta. Show your drawing, Ishan. How you do? Very good. Very good. Nice, 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 Ishan. Now I draw this one here. Keep silence. No need to show now. No need to show now. I just want to see the Ishan drawing. Okay, keep silence. Make like this. Yeah, one. Yes, it's a jumbo. Very good. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Now do like this. 1, 2. Aram se. Okay, take time. Okay. Yes, beta, take time. Do this. Ishan, make it better, take time. Are we done, beta? Am I done, beta? Lacey done, beta? Okay. Ishan?
I am done.
Arshi, beta? Yes. Done, Arshi?
Done, sir.
Arshi, তুমি দুধ খেয়ে নিয়েছো সকালে? Very good. Trisha? Trisha done, beta? On your camera, Trisha, Ishan, on your camera. Yes. Now the next tips. Keep silence and next steps. Okay. Next steps we are making here. the body. Okay, how to draw the body? Make a oval like this. Make a oval like this. Okay, so I make a oval, or I make a two circle, one circle here, one circle here,
Okay, sir.
like this. I show. Okay, two circle, one circle. I make one circle over here. I do one other circle. Okay, let's check where my another circle.
Sir, drawing a body.
We are doing now body.
We need a circle, sir.
Yeah, because see, this is the elephant head, torso, pelvis. So I draw already head. I make it torso. This is the head. I make the torso and pelvis. Okay, this is two circle I need to draw.
Sir, I do not have that.
Okay, so how to draw this one? Okay,
I
here.
don't have that.
No problem. Just see how to draw. Make it one circle and two circle and two circle. I make it two circle. One circle and two circle. So 1, 2, 3. Just three circle like this. See, 1, 2, 3. One is head, one is torso, one is pelvis. Okay, three circle.
Sir, I have no.
Yeah, you don't know. Now make it body.
Join. Sir, this circle is joined.
Now join this two circle. Aram se, okay, take time. Make this first, okay. Now I just make here, okay, one leg. I make one leg from this circle, one leg from this circle.
The whole circle of temple is right.
See, I make this circle. Here I am making one circle like this one leg. 1, 2, 3. This is one leg from this circle, and from this circle,
Straight legs.
yeah, you can make the straight leg too. I want to show the elephant is flying and flying and flying. And another leg, first leg is from this circle, and another leg from this circle. Another leg from this circle. See, like this. Okay, it's two leg. Okay, आराम से from this one circle, from this another circle. आराम से करो. Okay. Now I can draw here one ear, and here I draw another ear like this. 1, 2. It is an ear. Okay. 1, 2, like this. Okay, and then you can erase inside the circle, all circle. Inside all circle, now you delete, erasing. Okay, the body, all circle is just delete. So it looks like this. आराम से करो बेटा. We can make another leg here. 1, 2. Another leg here. Okay. 1, 2. Another leg. This is one of the very famous cartoon character called Jumbo from Disney. Okay, the cap. Yes, I make one cap. I make the cap. I drew here one cap. Now can color it again. I use first the color. Come on. What color are you using? Can't see elephant tongue. Hello? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, tell me. Yeah. Right. अभी तो पेपर पेंसिल ही रखो और वाटर कलर के लिए मैंने स्टार्ट करेंगे. So any watercolors, okay, watercolor palette, paper. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. His readmission is done, right, ma'am? Isn't it? Okay, sure. Okay, ma'am, sure. Thank you. Okay, now we are putting the color of gray color. Okay, isn't? Ishan, understood, Ishan? Yeah. Yeah, bow is like this only. The simple. Yeah. Make it outline also if you try to draw. Yeah, tail also gray. Face be also gray. Only the cap is different and this color also only pink. This is the pink. Okay. Yes. Cap color I put. No, this is not cap. This is the ear. This is the cap color. Cap color is different. I used to keep the cap color yellow. Maximum color is a gray. First tone is a gray. You can put the yellow or orange also. You can put. Yeah, I can put the orange too. Yes, beta. It's completely your wish. If you wish to first make the base color. Okay, first the base color. Then you can put the.
So can we outline?
Yeah.
Okay.
This color I want to make little colorful. I wish to red the. Okay. Make the first one first. Yes, beta. Please. First do this first tone.
से बार बार minimize for
That's
exam and no problem.
Wait, wait, wait. No, no, no. Okay. What drawing, beta? Okay. I make something sky color, which is flying and flying and flying like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. So we are going to the next stop.